In today's video we go deep dive in the most powerful natural anti-aging supplement in the world. This natural compound is called Resveratrol, and in today's video you will learn everything that you need to know how to feel younger, look younger, remove wrinkles in the safe and natural way. You probably heard about it, Resveratrol in the red wine, but trust me, there is a lot more to it. By the end of the video, you will know how it works, what the science says, and how you can use it to look younger, feel better, and stay healthier for longer. So what exactly is Resveratrol? It's a natural polyphenol found in certain plants, especially in the skin of the red grapes. And it has been getting a lot of attention for its incredible health benefits. But here's the key. Resveratrol is one of the most powerful antioxidants known to the science. That means it helps you protect your body from the free radical damage, the kind of cellular damage that causes aging, wrinkle, inflammation, and even chronic disease. And this is one of the most things that you need to remember in today's video. You are visibly aging a lot faster than maybe other person because you have a lot of free radical damage in your body. What causes free radical damage, of course, my dear viewers, is going to be food that you eat in each day that had a lot of those chemicals that we take in our body, and they causes damage to our complete body, especially today we're thinking about the skin. It's going to be food that you eat, it's going to be chronic stress, it's going to be insomnia, it's going to be smoking, it's going to be alcohol, and of course, my dear viewers, it's going to be prescription medication. For everyone who use 1, 2, 5, I don't know, like 10, 15 chemical medication each day, and you're using this for a month, maybe for the years, you really must know that those kind of medication a lot of time causing damage to our skin. This is those free radical damage, and that's why it's so important to we take in our everyday food or use like this kind of supplement that can remove those free radical damage. That's why Resveratrol is so important. Resveratrol works like a shield fighting off oxidative damage and keep your cells functioning like they did when you are younger. It's been shown in countless clinical studies to improve heart health, support brain function, lower inflammation, and even help fight cancer. Some researchers have even called it an elixir of youth. So, where you get the Resveratrol naturally? It's the richest natural source, including red grapes and the red wine, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, raw cocoa, peanuts, Japanese knotweed used in many supplements. But to go therapeutic levels, supplementation is often really necessary, and that is probably the best way how you can use Resveratrol. I said here a couple of sources in the food that you can eat each day, like grapes is perfect, but if you want to get perfect with supplementation, is going to be unbelievably important, and that's why when you use Resveratrol for younger skin, removing wrinkles in the safe and natural way. Let's talk about fun facts. Plants produce Resveratrol, a defense mechanism, a way to protect themselves from environmental stress. And when we consume it, we get those same protective benefits. It's nature's way to help us survive and thrive. That's why many of those perfectly natural remedies come from those kind of sources, like red grapes, like blueberries, raspberries, every kind of plants, especially food that we eat that had those kind of red, blue, and similar kind of colors. That means they are high in those specific antioxidants, like we today talk about Resveratrol, and plants using it to protect themselves. And when you eat those kind of stuff each day, food, supplements, we protect ourselves like the plants do for themselves. Let's talk about science for a moment. Aging is not just about getting older. It's a process involving chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, mitochondrial dysfunction, and the poor gut health. If your digestion is weak, your energy is low, and your skin looks dull. Chances are your cells are aging faster than they should. One of the most powerful anti-aging processes in the body is called autophagy. It's a cellular cleanup system your body way of recycling damaging cells, toxins, and cellular waste. And guess what? Resveratrol helps trigger this kind of process. It literally tells us your body to take out the trash and keep your tissue clean, youthful, and strong. And one of the best way you stay younger, even if you're a lot older, like 60, 70, or 80 years old, it's going to be using constantly through the week, through the month, those kind of autophagy. I was taking a lot of video in my channel, but this is something that is happening even after we not eat 20 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours, 48 hours. When we're not eating for those kind of period, our body goes to autophagy, and autophagy cleans our body and cleans our system from the toxins, and it is really helpful for your skin and for your wrinkles. But when we take also resveratrol, those autophagy comes a lot faster. That's why it's so important, because resveratrol triggers autophagy. Everything is going to be perfect for our skin and feeling and look a lot younger. Now here's the exciting part. If you combine resveratrol supplementation with intermittent fasting, that's when the magic really happens. Going without the food for 16, 20 or 24 hours activates even more autophagy, and resveratrol amplifies this effect. You're turning on your body internal rejuvenation system. Now let's even deeper. Did you know resveratrol has anti-cancer properties? It's been shown to interfere with every stage of cancer development, from tumor initiation to growth and the spread. And it does by encouraging apoptosis, the death of harmful cells. That's make it natural, powerful anti-cancer agent. This is also very powerful natural anti-cancer remedy, and you please remember this. It has protection against aging, protects us against the cancer, but benefits go even further. One of the also many important health benefits of using resveratrol each day is going to be brain function. We might right now from the studies, when you take resveratrol, your brain works better, you improve your cognitive functions, your memory, and you prevent yourself from dementia. It's unbelievably important. Now here's something many don't know. Resveratrol can help boost testosterone level naturally. This is especially important for the men over 40 years old. High testosterone means better mood, increased energy, improved libido, and even better muscle tone. Studies have shown that this may improve sperm count and mobility. If you're struggling with weight gain, resveratrol can help here too. It improves metabolism and supports fat burning. It may even mimic the effects of calorie restriction, which is scientifically linked to the longer lifespan. Everything is perfect. Those resveratrol I use it regularly for myself, and I recommend it to my patients almost every month. But for today's show, most important thing for you is to remember this is probably the best natural anti-aging supplements in the world. So how much you should take? Most studies suggest daily dose about 250 to 1000 mg of resveratrol. For general health, 2050 to 500 mg is a good place to start. If you're targeting specific concerns like aging, brain health, or inflammation, a higher dose may be more effective. But always consult your healthcare provider. Should you take it as a supplement? Yes, and here's why. You'd have to drink gallons of red wine to get meaningful dose, which is obviously not healthy. Supplementation gives you the right amount without sugar or alcohol. Look for trans resveratrol, its most bioavailable form, and take it with the food or healthy fat to better absorption. That's why if you want to look healthier, younger, right now you can buy in the good quality healthy store pills resveratrol. Just search for trans resveratrol, and when you're taking it with the food, especially with good quality healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, nuts and seeds, everything that contains a large quantity of those healthy oils is going to help resveratrol for better absorption in our body. This is unbelievably important to know. In summary, resveratrol is one of the best studies and most powerful natural compound for longevity, disease prevention, energy, brain health, and the youth appearances. It's not just hype, it's the real science. What even better results pair resveratrol with those habits: intermittent fasting, Mediterranean diet, daily movement and exercise, quality sleep, and the stress management. This combination will help you turn back the clock naturally. That's why it's so important. If you want to stay younger, healthy, you must have good, you must have normal weight, you must exercise daily, use intermittent fasting, as I suggested, and I written book about intermittent fasting, exercise, good quality sleep, normal weight, then using resveratrol with something called also Mediterranean diet. Everything will help you a lot to look younger, even a lot healthier, just using powerful natural antioxidants. Now let's addressing a common myth. Some people believe that aging is 100% genetic. That's all in your DNA, but research shown that only 20% of your aging process is genetic. The other 80% is environmental and lifestyle based. That means you eat, how you sleep, your stress level, and supplements you take like resveratrol have a huge impact on how young or old you look or feel. That's why you really need to remember the aging is almost 80% causing by everyday life habits that you're doing. That's why you can harm yourself and you can look a lot younger. This is just up to you, and use a healthy lifestyle, use supplements like resveratrol. I believe it's going to help you a lot. Another incredible benefit of resveratrol is the effect on mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells. As we age, mitochondrial functions declines. This is why energy drops, muscle weakness, and recovery slows down. The resveratrol has been shown to boost mitochondrial activity, increasing cellular energy, and improving endurance, stamina, and overall vitality. It literally helps your cell work like they did years ago. And don't forget, anti-aging isn't just physical. Feeling youthful and means having mental clarity, emotional balance, and motivation. Resveratrol may also support mood by influencing dopamine and serotonin pathways, helping you more optimistic, feel calm and focused. So yes, it's just not about looking young, but certainly and actually feeling alive again. And this is my recommendation for today's video. Resveratrol is perfect. But before you go, my dear viewers, I'm gonna give you another my video. He's right here. It's gonna be best vitamin in the world against aging and visible wrinkles. If you didn't look this video, look it please, because you will learn a lot more. Best vitamin for anti-aging is video right here. Thank you for following, my dear viewers. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.